HYPR Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the next 1-minute video, so watch to the end. Looking at Hyperfine, sitting at $1.3026, which is sick. Almost a 40% increase. You look like I was waiting for a break similar to this for a very, very long time, when it was actually like just pretty popular. You know, I've done well over 37,000 videos, so you have a lot of proof to back up my claims, so what's working for me and what's not. And with this specifically, once it broke down, I quite frankly abandoned the ticker. And since it is sitting here now, I mean, I'm not saying it's over forever, but if I see a little pull down and then a double break, I'm going to look to take things up. If not, it's all really good. So that's how HYPR is looking like. All I'm doing in the meantime is I am just waiting, and that's quite frankly how HYPR is looking like. So I'm just looking to double down on whatever is freaking moving. So that's what's been making me money. Obviously not financial advice, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.